10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left. 40, turn square right. 140, at the bottom, turn square right. And 3 left, 150. At the bottom, 4 left. 130, flat 2 right. 130, 1 right, continues for 80 at the cones. Turn 6 right at the bottom. And 2 left. 2 left here and 2 right. And 5 left. 60. Turn square left. And 6 right. 40, 6 right. 40, 6 right again. And 5 left and 5 right. What's the big tire on here? 5 right, 5 left at the bottom. That's it. 150. Turn 5 right at the chicane. And 6 left. 100. 6 left up here. Empty. 450. 6 left and hairpin right. Now don't go onto the grass at the hairpin right. Come on. 40, square right. And 5 left. 250. Turn square left up here. And 5 right. 150. Turn square right. 100. Square right. Square right here. And 2 left. And 60. Turn 6 left. 6 left here. 6 right narrows. 6 left, don't cut. And square left. And turn 6 right. 6. 100. Flat 2 right. 150. Turn 6 right long. Go on. 6 right long. 150. Turn 4 left. Keep her in it. 1. 200. And 3 left. 500. Go on. At the bottom, 4 right long. Four right. 4 right. I cut 4 right here and 5 left. 60 slowing to open hairpin left. And 4 right through the gates. And 45 right. And 43 right, don't cut. And 40 turn hairpin left. 6 left continues. Or 6 right continues. And turn 6 left long, 60. 1 ahead. 6 left long. 60. Turn hairpin right. 150. 5 left plus. 40. Turn 3 right. All the way up the top and hairpin left. Come on.